Hey, it's Mr. Johns. I just want to remind you one very important thing. Just before you finish the course, it's a good idea to go back and look at all the assignments to make sure that you finished every one. In some cases, I've added a few small things like a new video or something that will show that you haven't done it yet. And so let's take a look at my screen here. And I'm logged in as a student, so your screen should look just like this one. So I've got at the top, I've got this kind of lime green bar, and I've got two things here. One is more, which gives me some information about the course, or I can log out. Also here is what I'm talking about, where it shows you what assignment you're on. This one's called "What is the name of your driving school?" and it's a quick survey, one question. It's one of the very last assignments you'll do before taking the final exam. What I recommend you do, either at this point or after you take this survey, or really anytime, just roll your mouse up here and take a look at all the assignments and make sure that there is a green check mark next to each one. If there is not, it is super easy just to click on that assignment. It takes you right back there, and then after you complete that quick assignment, a lot of times it's just watching a video and answering a little question. So let's see. So let's do that. Enhanced would be that answer, submit. So go ahead, and then once you complete that assignment, you'll notice that now there is, and that was this one, there is a green check mark. So please do that for each assignment that you have not yet done, so that every assignment is completed, so that when you do take the final exam, I can mark you as passed and you can move on to the driving lessons. So if you have any questions about that, just get a hold of me, and I'll help you out. So hope that helps. Mr. Johns is out.